The YOUNGAR L-Shaped Desk offers a versatile design, allowing it to be configured as either an L-shaped desk or a long straight desk, providing flexibility for different workspace needs. With a generous 70 inches by 19 inches desktop, this desk provides ample space to accommodate multiple monitors and accessories, ensuring a clutter-free workspace. The ergonomic display stand with LED lights not only elevates monitors to reduce strain, but also adds a dynamic and colorful ambiance to your office setting. Featuring 4 power sockets and 2 USB ports, the desk ensures that you can easily charge and power up to 5 electronic devices simultaneously. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame and medium-density fiberboard, the desk promises stability and durability, resisting scratches and water damage. The YOUNGAR desk is designed for easy assembly with clearly labeled parts and comprehensive instructions, supported by reliable customer service for any assistance needed.